All right, now let's try another one here. In 5, in 4, in 3, in 2, and 1. Rub your ear. Hey everybody, it's Bruce here, Traveling with Bruce. Welcome to my channel. If you are interested in going on a cruise anywhere in the world, this channel is for you. I love to talk about cruise ships, cruise ports of call, cruise lines, the good, the bad, the ugly, cruise trip, we'll try again. All right, in 5, let me know. Thank you for those of you who are supporting this channel. I'm a full-timer picking up Redbubble merchandise, my TWB merchandise. In 5, in 4, in 3, in 2, and 1. Hey everybody, it's 5, we'll go 4, we'll go 3, we'll go 2, we'll go 1. Here we go. All right, let's try another one. All right. In 5, in 4, in 3, 2, and 1. Timer. I just blew all that out the door. Okay. All right. In 5, in 4. Appreciate it. Join me all the time. And there you go. That's no good. All right. If you love cruise ships like I love cruise ships, this channel is for you. I like to cover the latest breaking news in the cruise ship business. All right. We'll do another one. Too many burps. All right, no more burps. No burps. All right. All right. In 5, go. In 5 and 4, in 3, 2, 1. Hey everybody, it's Bruce here with Traveling with Bruce.